Hello, my name is Finn Newman. This is my truth table and my breadboard for the PVST problem. So right now it's at 0, 0, 0, 0, and it doesn't have an LED lighting up, so that's good. When this is a 1, it's going to be a majority vote. So when we put P to 1 and we put V to 1, then that's going to give us a 1, which follows our truth table. When we put V to 0 and then S to 1, we get a 1, which is good. This is what we want. We get when we put S to 0 and then T to 1, we have P to as 1. We also have a 1, which is good. That follows our Boolean. And then if we have P as 0 and V, S, and T is 1s, and that's going to give us a 1 here, which is good, and it follows our truth table. So that follows our truth table, and if we have just 2 votes on, then that's going to give us a 0, and that works with any one of them. So that follows what our truth table says it should be. And then there we go. So that's the PVST problem. Thank you for watching.